In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in WordPress. Whether you're setting up a blog, portfolio, or business website, knowing how to upload images is essential for creating engaging and visually appealing content. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is where you'll be managing your website and where you can log into your dashboard. Once you're on WordPress.com, log into your account with your username and password. It's always best to have these details stored securely, perhaps using a trusted password manager, to ensure you can access your site easily whenever you need to. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on your dashboard. This menu acts as your control panel for managing every aspect of your WordPress site. Find and click on the section labeled Media. This is where all your media files, including images, videos, and documents, are stored. By organizing your media library, you'll find it simpler to manage your files over time, making your workflow more efficient. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see an option that says Add New. Clicking this button takes you into an area where you can upload new media. Think of it as a direct door to enhancing your website with new imagery. Next, you'll be presented with two choices. You can either click on Select Files to upload an image directly from your computer, or if your image is already hosted online, you can use the Upload from URL option. Choosing Select Files will open a file dialog window, allowing you to browse through your computer's storage and select the image file you want to upload. Supported formats generally include JPEG, PNG, and GIF, which cover most standard image types you'll be working with. Adding an image from a URL is straightforward too. Simply paste the web address of the image into the provided field. This option can be convenient if you're using a third-party image hosting site and want to integrate those images into your WordPress media library without downloading them first. Whichever method you choose, allow a little time for the image to upload. Once it's complete, you'll see a progress indicator telling you it's ready. The uploaded image will then appear in your media library, from which you can insert it directly into your posts or pages. Just click on the image in the library and then choose Insert into Post or Insert into Page, depending on where you want it to appear on your site. By mastering these steps, you can present your content more vividly, ultimately enhancing your site's appeal and audience engagement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.